Hello everyone, welcome back to Things Done Change. I'm your host, 2US Papa, and we're back with another episode. Today's episode is, I'm sure you guys see in the title, 2 astronauts stuck in space. And side to that title is they heard strange noises. I'm gonna get right into the episode. 2 astronauts are stuck in space, y'all. That is so strange. Something went wrong with a Boeing capsule in June 5th. Their mission was to just be up there shortly, like a few days, and return back. Somehow that there was some type of leak in the capsule and some type of helium leak, and that having thruster issues with the Boeing capsule. And they decided not to take the capsule back down to Earth, hold out. And while all this is happening, one of the astronauts, well, both of the astronauts hear strange noise coming from inside the capsule. Not sure what it was. So, when it comes to these space missions, it's very dangerous, y'all. And it's been an update that they decided that they're not gonna take the capsule back. NASA is gonna have the capsule come back to Earth without the 2 astronauts. So in the meantime, they're gonna stay on the International Space Station until next year, 2025, y'all, till February 2025. They're gonna send up a guy from the Space Force on a SpaceX Dragon capsule that will be launching next year to go up there to, give them a hand and bring them back. Initially, the SpaceX mission with the Space Force pilot or astronaut was initially set for 4 people, but since all this happened, 2 people have to kind of like hang back while only 2 astronauts ride the Dragon, the SpaceX capsule, into space to dock at the International Space Station to get the other 2 because space issues. I guess it's only like a 4-seater, so they need the space. And so, in the meantime, they're going to be on the International Space Station, helping out, doing experiments or whatever it is they do at the space station. And my thing is, why does it take so long to send a rocket up to go help them out? They launch a lot of SpaceX rockets from Vandenberg Air Force Base, which now is Space Force, the Space Force Base out here in California. That's where I'm located, California. It's like every other month they launching something. So I don't understand, why do they have to wait till next year to get these people back home down safely to their families and friends? All this technology, everything is improving. The cell phone every year is improving. Apple is about to have a new release with the new iPhone. What is it? 16. Every year something is improving. Even vehicles, they make brand new vehicles every year with improvement, extra features, gadgets. But it seems like that's not happening when it comes to airplanes, spaceships. For some reason, you would think they would have a spacecraft that can get up there quick, within a month or 2. I understand, they have to plan weather conditions, different stuff, but they have bases and facilities across the U.S. that they can utilize if weather conditions and safety and planning. It's just, I don't know, maybe that's beyond my mental pay grade right now to why it takes so long. So yeah, I just wanted to tap in with you guys and talk about this. The 2 astronauts stuck in space. What do you guys think about it? And also, what do you guys think about the strange noise that they reported hearing coming out the capsule? Do you think it was something malfunctioning that they were hearing, that they were capturing? Or could it be something more sinister, or, you know, not even sinister, something more creepy, maybe aliens, or I don't know, something like that. What you guys think? What I think it may have just been something with the spacecraft that probably was making noise. You know, like in your house sometimes how you hear like the stress on like the frame of your home, like randomly, like you hear like little, I don't know, like little noises, like stress noises. I think that's probably what that was on the spacecraft, on the capsule. Although it kind of sounded like sonar. Let me get my other phone and see if I can put it up to let you guys hear it. Although it kind of sounded like sonar. Like if you was to be underwater and you used to hear doo, doo. If you was to be on a submarine. Let me put it up. See. I don't want to take too much time with this video. Let me hurry up and find this strange noise. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on, you guys. I'm finding the video. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. Sorry. Strange noise. YouTube and social media with all these commercials. You gotta like or you gotta love them. I mean, you gotta hate and you gotta love them. You get paid from ads, but then they kind of be inconvenient sitting here waiting on ads to view content. Give me a second, I'm pulling it up, y'all. Here it is. Listen.
And I didn't know if you could connect into the starliner and let me.
These are the two astronauts.
I don't know what's making it, but I don't know if there's something that's maybe connected between here and there, making that happen. But anyway, can you do that? We can configure that, Butch. Give us a minute, and I'll call you back when it's ready. All right, Butch. That one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping. Yeah, I'll do it one more time, and I'll let y'all scratch your heads and see if you can figure out what's going on. Here we go.
You guys hear that? It sounds like something beating outside the space capsule. Like, doo, doo, doo. Yeah, I told you guys what I think. I think it's something with the capsule. I don't think it's no ETs. I don't even think it's anything like from that movie Contact with Julie Foster. When they hear some type of noise out in space. I think it's easy for people to get caught up and think that, but I don't think that's what it is. Anyway, I think I made this video too long. You guys leave your comments and thoughts in the video. Let me know what you guys think about the sounds, and tell me what you guys think about why does it take so long to get these astronauts from space back to Earth? Why does it have to take till next year, 5-6 months from now, to bring these people back when they send up rockets pretty much all the time, especially in Florida? Anyways, I ain't gonna hold you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this content, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to send a message in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.